Introducing the Allwin21 AW-B3000. Precision, reliability, popularity, and cost-effective plasma processing. In the fast-evolving world of semiconductor manufacturing, precision, reliability, and efficiency are critical. When it comes to plasma ashing and photoresist removal, only a few trusted names stand out in leading semiconductor fabs worldwide. And one name consistently rises above the rest: Allwin21's AW-B3000. Why settle for less? Plasma processing equipment is widely available, but only a handful of solutions have been rigorously tested and proven in real-world semiconductor fabs. Most systems on the market lack the reliability and performance needed for advanced semiconductor processing, except for the AW-B3000. Introducing the AW-B3000, the ultimate manual load/unload batch plasma asher system. Designed for precision and efficiency, the AW-B3000 is a powerhouse solution for cost-effective processing of gallium arsenide, gallium nitride, indium phosphide, silicon carbide, and more. Whether in semiconductor fabs, universities, or research institutes, this system delivers unparalleled performance in photoresist removal without strict uniformity requirements. Why choose the AW-B3000? Proven heritage. Built on the legacy of the renowned Branson/IPC 2000, 3000, and 4000 series, the AW-B3000 continues to set the industry standard. Versatile batch processing. Ideal for low-cost batch wafer processes, thick photoresist removal, long-duration processes, and applications with varied photoresist thicknesses. User-friendly operation. Equipped with an industrial-grade computer and touchscreen interface for seamless operation and data management. Easy maintenance. Designed with 3 covers, allowing RF matching tuning from the backside for convenient maintenance. Advanced process control. Allwin21's proprietary software ensures automated calibration, recipe validation, data storage, and security features for total process control, including precise RF power, gas flow, and pressure regulation. GEM SEC2 compatibility, optional network function for enhanced system integration. End-of-process EOP function, optional feature for precise endpoint detection. Multi-wafer compatibility, supports processing of small samples to 8-inch wafers without hardware modifications. Flexible RF power options, MHz air-cooled RF generator, with Allwin21's unique, reliable RF matching. Available in 300 watts, 600 watts, 1000 watts, and more. Customizable gas lines, 6 gas lines with 1 to 5 MFCs for flexible applications. Additional MFCs can be added in the future. Faraday cage technology enables downstream plasma ashing and descum with low RF plasma damage and better uniformity at low ashing rates. Precision pressure control. Integrated MHz baratron and throttle valve ensure repeatable process performance. Custom quartz boat options. Compatible with various furnace quartz boats and plates for different applications, providing ultimate flexibility. Temperature monitoring. While the system does not include direct heating or cooling, an optional thermocouple allows chamber temperature monitoring. Some customers preheat the chamber to 170 degrees Celsius using N2 plasma before starting the ashing process. Compact footprint. Available as a desktop or standalone system, with a space-saving 28-inch width by 34-inch depth. Optimize process parameters. Tailor your process by adjusting pressure, time, gas flow, RF power, and starting temperature for maximum performance. With its proven reliability, precision engineering, and advanced automation, the AW-B3000 is the ultimate solution for fabs and labs seeking high-yield, cost-effective plasma ashing solutions. Elevate your semiconductor processing. Join the industry leaders who trust Allwin21's AW-B3000 for superior plasma processing, where performance meets perfection at a low cost. Visit www.allwin21.com to learn more.